Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Covina, local, and long-distance movers near me. A reliable and cheap Covina moving company can help make your moving day easier. When you choose 3 movers, you get the right choice for your local or long-distance move. We work hard so you don't have to. Our team works with all types of clients and we handle both small and large moves. Moving 100 miles or more is considered a long-distance move. Not all moving companies can accommodate your needs with this type of move you're dealing with. Our team will provide all the services you need to make moving days simple. We offer the basic moving services along with the following additional services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials always on time, and transparent pricing. A California moving company can make your local move so much easier. If you're eager to get settled into your new home, why try to handle the move yourself? A professional team of movers can do it so much faster and help you avoid injury from the heavy lifting. When you hire a good local moving team such as 3 movers, you won't need to recruit family or friends to help you. Our team will do all the heavy lifting and save you a ton of time on moving day. Even if your move is so large it could take you all week to complete it, we can get it done in one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Covina moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.